Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, I started a series in which I teach you about how you some easy skills and you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So I'm going to fiverr.com, and in today's video I will teach you about how you can create Facebook post and sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So I write here Facebook post design, and as you can see there are 1,10,000 plus services available. And let's analyze one of the gig. Like this one, and in basic package he charged $25, and in standard package he charged $50, and in premium package he charged $75. So there is a demand of this skill, and as you can see everyone want to grow his Facebook page. So everyone must be finding a content creator for their Instagram post, for their Facebook post. So you will be one of them. So that's it. And now move towards that how we can create a Facebook post. So I am going to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online, and it is very easy and handy to use. So let's get started. Here I search for Facebook, and Facebook post landscape or Facebook post, both are landscape, but I have to choose square. So I go here, and here I search Facebook post. So this is the size, Facebook post square. So I am creating a Facebook post for like quotes. So I write here quotes, and you just have to change the quote and your post is ready. I like this one. You can do it. And I think black suits. No. It's look good. You can do it, or you can write here like trust yourself, and yeah, it's look good. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. And if you want to create Facebook post on any topic, you just have to write here like food. So they show you different templates, you just have to customize it. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.